Well, I guess someone here to look at the trailer. And that trailer is this trailer. Featuring 9 to 12. Me with this guy is going to air on YouTube and Google Plus. Air. Where's there is Google Plus. It says no Google Plus were harmed during the making of the video. Okay. Anyway, on YouTube and Google Hangouts on air is I don't know what to name it, but um so it's the Golden Minecart and Vincere TV combined. Well, TV stands for television and it's the Golden Minecart, so the vision. Huh. Yeah, I think we're gonna get not the vision. That, that's too bad. Okay, since it's a podcast, we have to talk about. So let's talk it about me, the Golden Minecart, featuring this guy also. Yes, Vince TV. So watch it. Why not? It's your future.